Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of January till the 1st of Feb. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For person reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Pisces people for this week for their love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, Magician. Bottom of the deck is the World card. Okay, you guys are trying to move on towards calmer water from a very complicated situation that is making you feel trapped, mentally trapped, and you are manifesting a way out of that situation because it's draining you mentally. It's like you guys are not able to make sense of it anymore. The World card here is indicating towards a completion of a cycle. So there is a completion of a cycle that needs to happen in a particular situation so that you guys can move on towards calmer water and find your peaceful energy again in a particular situation, in a particular direction. Cool. Maybe not like the connection ending, but a situation ending in a particular dynamics. Cool. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. So we have the Page of Cups. Someone here is feeling emotions here, but they are all over the place, not emotionally stable kind of energy. Someone have emotions. Someone feels like expressing something, saying something, but it's like not a very stable kind of energies. Let's clarify the Page of Cups as somebody's feelings for you. We have the King of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is feeling like coming towards you with a lot of passion, with a lot of fire, and they feel like you guys can have something beautiful, have something long term. If you guys are going to give it a chance from the start, whether it's a new person or a past person or energy that's trying to come back in your life, this person is feeling very infatuated to the idea of starting a chapter with you because they feel like you guys have a strong potential to make this situation go towards something meaningful like marriage, commitment, long term partnership. So they feel like right now their emotions are not very strong. There is infatuation, there is attraction, and there is a pull towards you, but they feel like it can become something really meaningful with time between you and them. This situation have a strong potential. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Two of Cups. From your side, you feel like there is a soul connection here. There's a soulmate kind of dynamic between you and a particular person that you share, that you deeply feel. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here. We have the Knight of Wands, the Hanged Man, the Nine of Swords. Okay, you feel like even if you feel like a soulmate kind of connection with someone, you feel like this these energies are on and off, in and out, and you guys are not able to, you know, trust this energy, trust this person, and it's making you feel like you're losing control over your life because of the situation. Okay, so you feel love towards something and someone, but at the same time you feel like they don't have the capacity to give you what you really deserve and want. Okay, so one of you is like going with the flow and let's see where things can go, meanwhile having this intention of long term partnership but not right now. One of you is like, I have love, I have emotions, I feel like moving forward, but the other person is not stable enough, emotionally stable enough to keep moving forward, and that's why there's a lot of conflict and stressful energies around the situation, especially from your side. You feel like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? The Judgment. So from your side, from their side, their intention here is to give it a shot. This person wants to bring something dead back to life. Maybe this connection ended at some point of time. This could be a this is somebody who's not a totally new person, totally new energy, maybe a newish. You tried but you failed, and now this person wants to come back, and or you guys had a full-fledged relationship. Now this person wants to bring the dead back to life somehow. Okay, give it another shot with forgiveness, with this energy of, okay, let's start from the start. This is somebody who's very much interested in starting from the scratch. Let's clarify the Judgment here, whether it's a new person or past one. Eight of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Temperance. Yes, this person wants to have back and forth communication with you, lots of communication with you regarding your relationship status, regarding what you are planning to have in your life regarding this love and relationship area. So this person wants to have back and forth communication with you. This person wants to tell you like they're single, they're available, and now they are ready to take this connection, take this situation forward, and they are going to be patient, but they want time. They want this situation to go slow, so that you guys can handle the situation with patience, and with time you guys will be able to understand what can happen, what can come out of this situation, this dynamics. This is what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Justice. Okay, you want to keep things fair. You want to keep things very, very fair here. You don't want any kind of mess. You don't want any kind of ifs or buts, or you don't want any kind of mixed signals. All you want is fairness and justice. Let's clarify the justice here. We have the Three of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Basically, fairness to you means that you don't want to invest in a particular person or situation until unless you are 100% sure that it is not going to end up in a disaster, it is not going to end up in a heartbreak. If you are sensing it, only even if it is like 1% that you are sensing that this person, this situation can break your heart, you just want to let it go. You don't want to get yourself involved in the situation at all. You are like, I don't want to get my heart broken again and again and again. If this person, this situation is not meant for me, it's not good for me, I should just let it go. It's important for me to understand if something or someone is good for me or not for the long term. Okay, you don't want to live in any kind of fantasy world or la la land. You want to be practical, logical, and you want to understand if something or someone is meant for you or not. Then only you want to invest and move forward. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 1st of Feb, Pisces. Four of Wands. Okay, this is something related to a commitment here. Let me clarify this before jumping into any kind of conclusions. फूलों की मलिका है. The Star, the Five of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Okay, you guys are going to be basically by your own, Pisces. You guys will be like healing yourself from all the past traumas and painful experiences that you guys have experienced till this point of your life. You guys will be rejecting the idea of being with someone, and or maybe not rejecting this person particularly, but you might be taking your own time before you are going to open up fully to the idea of taking things forward according to what the other person is up to, right? So you guys are going to basically healing yourself, taking care of yourself, like getting out of the trauma and painful experiences, and waiting and watching and hoping for the right person, the right energy to enter in your life. Meanwhile, not completely rejecting this person, this situation, but keeping it in the background, like investing, but only 10% or 20% of your energy, because you guys are not sure about it, or you guys are not feeling the feeling for the situation, at least for the time being. Yep, you guys are feeling like this might not be the right one, so I should keep my energies open, and I should keep on healing myself, and whatever or whosoever is supposed to be with me is going to enter in my space, meanwhile keeping the situation in the background. Cool. Deliberately. It's a deliberate choice. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Pisces. We have the devil, the fool, the five of cups. Hmm. You know, even if we are doing something very healthy, even if we are doing everything possible from our side in order to get what we want in a very healthy way, positive way, if we are overdoing it, it's unhealthy. Anything in excess, anything in excess is poisonous, is unhealthy, right? Right now you are being in that mode of your life, hyper independent, okay, hyper independent, and being in this energy of, even if I'm going to sense 1% of toxicity or negativity from something or someone, I'm out. I'm not going to deal with that. And that is why you are creating more and more pain and disappointments in your life, because you are overdoing the healthy thing. You are overdoing this. I might not be able to explain you properly, but I'm trying my best. This has become your obsession to take everything or everyone in a negative way, in a dark way, in a way of, because you just want to protect yourself. So you are in the flight or fight mode because your nervous system is not able to calm down and relax and feel safe. Now, I'm not saying to go against your nervous system and go against your instincts. You guys have to relax. You guys don't have to take everything and everyone in a negative way, in a negative shade. And just, you guys have to open up a little bit more and take risks. Of course, not going against your instinct completely, but until unless you are going to be fully open to the idea of going in a particular direction with all of your heart and soul, you will not be able to get what you want. If you're sensing a lot of red flags in a particular person or situation, that's a completely different thing. But maybe only like maybe you are making little things bigger issue, that's not actually a bigger issue here. Try to understand. Might be you are in this hyper active energy or hyper independent energy of, yeah, no, 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 no. Let's say, for example, if you have this energy of wanting to have red roses on your first date and somebody is coming to you with a sunflower, you guys are taking them as a red flag because they didn't came with a red rose. So they are a red flag. That's how you are doing it. That's why you're always disappointed and lonely and feeling sad about this particular area of your life. Of course, not all of you, but for those who like whom it is resonating, you guys have to relax a little bit, trust on yourself, and don't try to make everything look negative, even if it is not. Okay? That's the deal here. Let's see. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular love and relationship area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, leave this portion. Don't worry about it. And let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. Your time starts now. So the answer to your question is unlikely. Okay, unlikely means right now it's not happening, but if you are going to, if, okay, unlikely card, while not an absolute no, does suggest that what you are asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. That is that making sense? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.